Good morning! It is Wednesday and it's currently 11:12 ng umaga. So, alam niyo naman pag Wednesday guys, ang ating Ate Paris ay nasa school and Daddy Mike is working from home today. So, you might hear him in the background, especially kasi nasa meeting siya. So, ayan. So, kaninang umaga, hinatid ni Daddy Mike si Ate Paris sa school niya and pumunta siya ng gym at late siyang nag-start work today, 10:30. So, it means late yan siyang matatapos mamaya. So, very excited si Ate Paris na pumasok ng school kasi, alam niyo ba, last 3 days na niya sa kindi kasi today and then next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, and then that's it. Wala nang kindi for her. So then we go to the Philippines, and then when we come back, she'll be in prep. So sabi ko sa kanya, you know, have fun, play with your friends, and you know, just make the most of it. Kasi alam ko yung 1, 2, 3, I think 3 or 4 na classmate niya ngayon sa kindi ay pupunta sa the same school. So, but the remaining sa klase nila ay part ways na sila. Sad, but that's life. Anyways, I'm just making Daddy Mike his steak and quick cook porterhouse kasi nag-request siya. And then after this one ay alis tayo. I was actually planning to go ng maaga para pagbalik natin ay pick upin na natin ang ating Ate Paris from Kindi. Kasi natatapos siya ng 3 o'clock eh. But then, baby CELINE fell asleep. So, her first nap of the day. Pupunta kami ng shopping center, guys. Remember yesterday, nakabili tayo ng isang suitcase, but then we still need a large one. And we went to Kmart kahapon. Wala sila yung large size. So, I'll go to Kmart in Carindale, Westfield Shopping Center. And we'll see if they have anything available. Kapag wala sa Kmart, I think Target or I think they have Big W there as well. So, there's more options na mga shops na mapupuntahan natin to get the last suitcase that we need. Kasi yung suitcase na nabili ko kahapon, doon ko ilalagay yung mga gamit ko at gamit ni Ate Paris. And then, the next suitcase ay yung mga pasalubong, yung chocolates, mga damit, basta yung mga kung anik-anik ba. So, pag-uwi namin ng Pinas, ay papabinyagan natin si baby CELINE. So, last time nung umuwi kami, ay si Ate Paris yung pinabinyagan natin. So, I think she was around 10 months old nung bininyagan siya sa Pinas. And this time, actually, long time ago, like earlier this year, hindi ko talaga inisip na papabinyagan ko si baby CELINE pag uwi doon. But then, as time goes by, parang palapit na yung pag uwi namin. Sabi ko, why not? Pabinyagan natin. So, anong tawag dito? Mas gusto ko kasing pabinyag doon, guys. Kasi, alam niyo, with the family, ibang-iba talaga. So, pakita ko yung damit na papasuot ko kay baby CELINE actually. So, I got this one from Designer Kids, Australia. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Actually, hindi ko to siya binili for binyag. So, I just bought it for like, baka may okasyon. But then, sabi ko, this would be perfect kasi sobrang init sa Pinas, diba? So, this, you know, would be really good para sa kanyang, kanyang binyag. And then, I also bought shoes yesterday. So, sobrang ganda. Ay, super cute naman ang ating baby CELINE nito. Oh. And nakapagpagawa na rin kami ng anong tawag dun, guys? Ay, giveaway. Alam niyo yun, kapag binyag tapos may souvenir. Ganun. Souvenir ba? Ano mga pinagsasabi ko eh. So, yung sister ko, siya na lang yung doon guys. Siya na lang yung pina-organize ko ng mga bagay-bagay. Kasi, mahirap man, nandito ako. So, ayun, na-organize na naman daw niya. So, uwi na lang kami. And then, yeah. We'll do the binyag-binyag. Very happy siya. Nakausap niya ang kanyang tita. And she's having something to eat now. So, yung steak ni Daddy Mike, kinunan ko. And then, some cheese. Woo! Woo! Hala, may rabbit sila sa bahay. Hi, rabbit! Say hi to my vlog.
Uy, ikuan kaya nila ni Mama. Kaya para daw kuan-kuanan ni Celine. Huwag di Paris. Hi! Adok lang ko siyang nungkit.
Hala po.
Pati nga imong mga anak, diba? Makaingan yun nga sa nadihatitam. Old McDonald at the farm.
Gani. Inahatan ng dito animals na.
Oh, napa, Celine
Pig! Look! Look!
Pig
Una-una niya makayo ko pag kuan na labda kay naniod to ko. Oh. Is it a pig? Hindi ho siya.
Ako man yung nabahugan na ilang pig. Uy, kaluoy ba sa ilang pig?
Ayan, everyone.
Ready na kayo sila, tiyo?
Ready na.
Oo, nani, ilang mga kahoy para sa imong ipalit yung baka.
Oh! You can? Lechong iring.
With yung baka, gani.
I need you right about now. I need you right about now. I need you right about now. Hey, hey. Read your body language. See we conversating. Watching how you move. Yeah, I like what I see. Got our favorite station. Taking in your
Yeah, it's not locked. Because I very rarely use the Mi Bank laptop. It's like I'm putting in the one that I thought.
Okay. Kung lalabas, panguro ng shipping nila.
It hasn't locked it yet. I don't know if I can't remember.
What's the
Pasakay na lang yung kuliro. Okay, magawas mo siyang kuliro.
Yeah,
The dog.
500.
What's the sound of the dog?
Being processed pa man po diyang bayad. Wait lang. Natawa, Jun.
Lolo. Diba na siya, Mak? Grabe yung katawa, Mak. Good girl, Nak. She ate all the steak and cheese. Pero gidulaan niya ang blueberries.
Yes, Papa, binigalisog ba kayo?
I'm making a mess here. Sa kabilang bedroom. Ayan, so I'm starting to pack. Ito, mga pinili ko na damit doon sa kwarto. Ito pala yung bagay, yung suitcase na binili ko, guys. Ayan. Ayan. And may tag pa yan, oh. Ayun pang but I didn't pay that much, ha? Naka-less tayo kasi naman to, sa Facebook Marketplace. So, yan nilalagay natin. Tapos, pinilian ko yung mga damit dress ni Ate Paris. Yung mga dadalhin ko, mostly mga dress, hindi yung pants or shorts or tops. Kasi, sobrang daming dress ni Ate Paris and it's very easy, you know, like isahang lang. So, ayan, tingnan yung cute ng mga print ng damit ni Ate Paris. Eh. Hindi ba lang? Hindi ba lang? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, shush! Are you hungry? May bata na nagugutom dito, oh. Oh, Didi? Yeah. Tell sa tita and tito, what would you like? What would you like? What is it? That? What is it? What would you like? Can you say here? Here. Can you say Didi? Can you say Didi? Okay. Didi. Padidi ko naman to eh. So, this is my side. Ayan. So, yung mga damit ko, guys, ito yung susuotin ko for maybe Celine's christening. The rest, ay hindi ko na naman to ibabalik dito sa Australia, guys. Kasi may iwan na to doon sa, sa sister ko. Kasi, alam niyo, hindi ako magdadala ng marami din. Kasi, sobrang dami ko ng damit doon sa Pilipinas. Like, nanonood ako ng mga live selling and then ipinapadala ko doon sa family ko. So, marami na akong naipon doon na damit. So, there's no need talaga na magdala ako. But then, I'll just bring, some of my favorites from here. And then, yung mga iiwan ko din doon sa sister ko. Ayan. So, I might add more. Tapos, sa side na to, ito yung mga papeles, yung birth certificate ni Baby Celine andyan, yung mga documents na we might need. And this side is Paris's. Ayan, so yung mga damit ni Ate Paris, kulang pa to. Yeah, yung iba nasa pa. Nasa washing machine pa. So later on, ko dito, finalize. Meron pa namang araw, guys. We're just starting para to make sure na wala tayong maiwan. And then, as for my shoes, magdadala ako ng shoes kasi para sa christening, ano yung susuotin ko. So, I've been thinking, pinipilian ko tong dalawa. So, this one, my Christian Louboutin shoes. I really love this one, guys. Sobrang nakaka-sexy sa paa. So, I was thinking if that one or this one, very similar lang naman siya, guys. But this one is the wedge version. Ayan. But, ito yung parang na-set yung heart ko dito. So, I might, just bring that one instead of this one. Ayoko magdala ng marami kasi hindi ko naman talaga nasusuot. Pagdating sa Pilipinas, ay naku, nakachinelas lang pagdating doon. Ito lang talaga ay para sa binyag ba? Para, naman, maganda naman tayo. Tingnan. So, there. So, that's one thing of my head. Yung carry-on ko na bag, doon ko ilalagay yung mga gamit ni Baby Celine. So, mga maliliit naman yung mga damit niya. So, it's not gonna take a lot of space. Yung mga mga dress. Basta lahat ng mga gamit niya doon para, in case na mag-change din sa airport and that. So, it's very, handy kasi bit-bit na namin. Hi, princess. Are you excited? Are you excited? And we have to go soon. So, malapit na mag 3 o'clock. Wala, Didi, again na. So, alis kami ni Baby Celine soon. We'll go pick up Ate Paris. And then, we'll go to the shopping center para bumili ng isa pang suitcase. And, something else. So, we'll make sure, ayan, nakahanda na yung tawag dito, vitamins ni Ate Paris, just to make sure na hindi namin maiwan. Magdadala din ako ng parang medicine kit ng mga kids. So, Panadol. Magdadala din ako ng Bonjela, yung para sa teething gel, just in case na, you'll never know. Expect the unexpected, diba? So, baka mag-teething ang ating baby while nandun. And, yung mga ganun-ganun ba? Yung mga napis wipes, we'll just bring something na enough para sa pagbiyahe. But the rest, doon na. Mabibili naman yan doon. Tapos sa part ko, sa mga skincare ko lang, yung mga ko lang talaga, yung ginagamit ko lang talaga. Kasi the rest, yung sabon, and mabibili yan sa Pilipinas. No problem. So, I'm trying na hindi masyadong mabigat ang ating dala. Mga unnecessary ba? Kasi before, I used to do that. Pag hindi naman kailangan, binibit-bit. So, anak na. And then, Celine will go to the Philippines. Iling-kikikikik. Iling-kikikikik. Oh, Josh! Ulitan na bata. We have to go soon. Ha? Go pick up Ate Paris.
I actually broke by accident.
The show? Come na. Celine! We gotta go, anak. We still have to go to the shops. Ana, layas na.
I made those today.
Oh, what is that?
No,
Oh,
it's not the one. I got
Frosty
you.
the Snowman.
I know that song. We watched that today.
Did ya? Hoy, alala. Go ko silin sa anak ko.
Where is he?
Tingnan yung mukha, oh, very shining, shimmering, and splendid.
Maria today.
Did you? Ano ng sunscreen? Tingnan nyo ang kanyang pa-outfit today, oh. Now, can you please put your shoes on properly? Oh, anyways, you have to take it off when you get to the car. Celine, we have to go, my love. Put this in the bin first.
Something for me today.
We're going to the shop now.
Did you buy something for me today?
We're going to the shop, so we'll see. Let's go. You have to go get suitcase.
For me?
Come on, my love. Let's go. Hello, how are you? Come on.
For my daughter.
A few moments later.
So we're at JB Hi-Fi, guys. We're looking at Switch for Ate Paris. Nakausap na namin si Kuya.
Jake has that too, but
At
I
we were thinking of this one.
think
Just
Jake.
for Christmas.
I think Jake is the same one I have. I think
Yeah.
it's the same size.
Yeah.
Is it the same size?
So, yeah, I think so, my love. So, yeah, we're getting Paris this one, guys. Kasi alam niyo naman, mabiyahe kami very soon. And, yeah, this will keep her entertained sa airport, sa airplane. And, sabi ni Kuya, this is the best value for money.
And I pegged this game.
So, it's currently
And I pegged this
$3.99.
game. I pegged
It's
this
alright,
game.
enough. It's already here now. So, yeah. Anyways, yeah, that's the one there. It comes with that one. So, ayan. Hinintay na namin si Kuya. Let's go na. Put it on, please, my love.
I didn't do this one.
So, after here, we'll go to
This one is Mac about
Target quickly, and
doesn't light
then
up, but it is a
we'll go to
white
Coles,
and grey
and then we
mouse.
can go home.
Now, what I get you to do before you travel off,
Yeah.
that's a download copy of Mario Kart 8,
Okay.
download of online membership. If anything, download that before you go, so it's on your console.
Okay, sounds good.
It's pretty easy to set down. So I'll talk you to the next half.
Right,
Bless
thank
you,
you
okay?
very much.
Good luck
Merry
with that little
Christmas.
one. You
Thank
too.
you. Alrighty, Paris. Are you happy?
Oh yeah, I'm so happy. Right, did I?
Kalabas na kami ng Target. At sa mismong harapan ay merong laruan. Tingnan nyo. Lahat tayo yellow today ah. JB Hi-Fi. Yung pabaw ni Lining. Ha? Yellow. Boop boop! Boop boop! Yes! Beep beep! Beep beep! Konti lang yung nabili namin sa Target, guys. Ayan, pinasok ko na rin dyan. So, I was thinking about looking at the suitcase nila. Kasi, just for an option ba, baka cheaper kumpara sa Kmart. But, wala silang naiwan na, merong naiwan sa kanila na suitcase, pero yung mga, ano lang, mga carry-on lang na mga suitcase. So, balik kami sa Kmart, bilhin namin yung malaki doon, and then, yeah, we'll see if we can go home now because it's so tiring, guys. Alam niyo ba? With 2 kids, ito siya, walang pram, so I have to carry her. Kaya naisipan ko na last na namin yung finish! Last na namin yung suitcase para diretso na kami kaagad sa sasakyan. Pagkabili namin. Well done, Nini! She was not scared lang. Good job!
Mom, tell me when to stop.
Okay, a bit more. I think that's enough now. Enough.
Let's put some topping.
What would you like?
Wait.
Sit down next to Celine. Kukunin na naman yan ni Celine lahat. Baby, share. Oh, give her some. Gusto niya siyang maghawak. Ay, ang buti mo bata ka, oy.
Clean.
Careful.
Ah!
Tignan niyo, gusto niya siyang maghawak, oh.
Oh, have to hold it.
Shh! Be, mama will hold it, be, instead, be. Look, give her some, te. Give her some. Open the mouth. Okay, thank you, Ate Paris. Okay, one more for Celine, please. Good girl. Give it back to Ate Paris. No, gusto, sabi, akala niya talaga na ano na siya ba? Independent na siya ba?
Thanks, Lee.
Ay. Your turn.
I can buy another one now.
Mura mag-wish. You sound like a witch na.
Clean.
Celine, you gotta share to Paris, please.
You can't just eat it all yourself.
Oh no.
Look how messy.
Laro mo na tong dalawa, bago kami balik ng kay Mart. Tingnan nyo, nainitan sa Paris, oh.
4, 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Alingap kay Mama, do. Tingnan nyo, we had to change her top kasi nagkaramutsing. Buti na lang nakabili kami sa Target. Bumagay pa rin sa kanyang buo kay may lemon. Big girl na talaga ang ating Celine. Tingnan niyo. Nanagay katula yang ate. Give Ate Paris a kiss. Give Ate Paris a kiss. Uy, la. See, she's very smart. Give Ate Paris a kiss. Te, give her a kiss. Ma. Malok. Nakapatong na natin may bigasa. Agay. Ay, Diyos ko. Ang hirap man, guys. Uy, grabe. So, ayan yung nabili natin na, large one is $69. Gawin. Oh. Sa Kmart. Cheap, ha? B1 na. I think. First B1 ba? Be careful. Be careful! Pauwi na kami. Shh! Bulingit nga bata, oh. I'll get you nuts. Ha? For snacks. Be, show me your face. Hala! Bulingit nga bata ka. Careful, darling. Ayan ang laro ni Lini. Oo, nakakatakot ba? Kapag siya lang mag-isa. Kasi already happened na dito siya napunta. Ta! What's the sound of the cat? Ma! What's the sound of the dog? Hoof, hoof, hoof. What's the sound of the... What's the sound of the horse? Nay! Nay! What's the sound of the sheep? What's the sound of the sheep?
Ba.
Ba, yeah! Good job! You're very smart! You're one smart little girl!
Okay.
Yes! Can you say, Mama? Mama?
Mama.
Ay, Dada? Ay, Ate?
Pa.
Lula? Lula?
Pa.
Aba? Ang dami ng ngipin, guys. Uy. Dito niyan. Mukhang dito may lalabas na naman. Anak, lalabas na yata lahat ng ngipin mo, nak. Wow. Mama, sige na cook chicken, nak. Ma. Are you a cat? Are you a cat? Yan kasi yung pinapanood niya, nag-loading lang, guys. Pero yung mga animals ba, tapos yung mga sounds nila. Kaya, ano niya. Can you please be careful? Please be careful with my heart. Yeah. You are my first romance. And I'm willing to... What is that? Ang kanyang daddy ay working still. Cook dinner, guys. Cook dinner lang. Ang ilong. Kiss mama, be. Mama. I love you, anak ko. Guwapo mo naman, baby girl. Guwapo mo kayo ng baby ko. Luto na tayo ng dinner. So, may naiwan dito na minced chicken. Yan. Ito yung lutuin natin. And then, meron tayong golden Hokkien wok ready meal. Ayan. So, nag-boil na ako ng tubig. Nalagay lang natin dito para daw soft ang ating noodles. Dito na siya. Hi, Lynn! Hi, my sweetheart. What's going on? Manggubot na po gali lang. Ayan. So, that. Hello, tingnan niyo ang ating baby girl, oh. Shh. Nawa na to, ana. Buak na. And then, nagano ako ng corn. Boil. Nak, pakuna nak, be. Kaya init ang tubig na. Magkape na rin kaya ako habang may mainit na tubig. So, isok lang natin dito 2 to 3 minutes. And I thought lagyan ko ng ganito kasi meron kami sa fridge. Uy! Ito yung mixed vegetables. Peas, corn, and carrots. Ayan. And dapat sana lulutuin ko stir fry gamit yung oyster sauce. Kaya lang, I just realized wala kaming oyster sauce. So, yung mangyayari, gamitin ko yung soy sauce.
Can we get a shot, get some?
Ha? Well, it's late na malap. Soy sauce na lang, guys, ang gamitin natin. That will do. That will do. Ito muna. Ling, hanap ko tara ng miswa na. Give me the miswa eh. The miswa. Can I have this one lang? Ay, ala. Alang bata, nagilak ang bata, oy. Nagilak mo na ang bata, oy. Anak, inumusad ng hipang. Gawas na. Oh, ito yung binili namin doon sa JB Hi-Fi kanina. Hindi pa namin na-open, guys. To be honest, wala akong alam dito. No clue. 0%. Itong Nintendo Switch. Ayan. Dahil nga, ito yung gustong bilhin ni Daddy May para kay Ate Paris kasi pagbiyahe namin ng Pinas, kaya namin ito binili. So, nag-upsell si Kuya doon. Sabi niya, very important daw na may case tsaka may screen protector, which is totoo naman talaga. Just in case na malaglag or whatsoever, ganyan, protected ang ating Nintendo Switch. And check guys, it's 9:43 ng gabi.
Remember when we bought it? That wasn't a long time ago.
Yeah, well, it's not in the fridge anymore. So, come here. We'll brush your hair. Come. Good.
I think I finished them.
Tulog na ang ating baby CELINE. Ito na lang yung gising. Oh. Pinag-shower ko kasi very malagkit siya kanina. So, nalagyan ko na ng cream.
Now, can I watch now?
I'll brush your hair so you can go to bed. It's late now, okay?
Can I watch TV?
Ito yung cream na nilalagay natin kay Ate Paris every single day. Mm.
Can I watch while you're doing it?
Yes, just sit here please because I'm gonna brush your hair.
Okay,
So, ito yung pang dry and sensitive skin. Kasi yan yung skin ni Ate Paris. And then, tingnan nyo. Pakita natin ako. Ayan, may pula-pula na naman siya. Hindi namin alam kung saan to galing. Dito lang naman guys. O, kapag nagpula-pula siya, nag-i-itch siya. Sa mga ganito lang. Mga folds ba? Ayan. So, kapag nangyayari yan, ginagamitan namin siya ng...
my skin.
Ayan, ito yung kanyang pang itchy. So, we'll make sure din na meron tayong ganito pag umuwi tayo ng Pilipinas para just in case na magkati-kati. Meron tayong magamit sa kanya. Sit down, Nick. Close to Mama so I can brush your hair.
After brushing hair, can I watch?
No, you can go to bed after brushing your hair.
Fine. So when you're doing my massage, can I watch?
I already did the massage on you.
I did.
Yes, I did.
Did you use that?
Yeah,
Why did you didn't put it on my tummy?
I sure did, my love.
I didn't feel it.
You were talking, that's why.
I want to watch TV.
Yeah. You watch while I brush your hair, and then once it's done, then you can go to sleep next to sleep. Okay?
Hi.
Yeah?
Should I do it?
Yeah.
I can do whatever I want, can I?
Not tonight, my love. You are going to bed after this. Okay?
Just a
Yeah. You still have to drink this one, oh. So, ginawan ko rin siya ng special drink niya. Ayan.
Now did you make it?
Yeah, of course. Special for you. Yeah. Ayan yung pinapainom ko sa kanya kapag ilang araw na siyang hindi
Have a drink.
nakakapupo.
Why
Kasi,
is this not working?
di ba may history na yan siya na
Why is this not working?
constipated ba? Nahihirapan siyang mag-ano. So, make sure na kapag ilang araw na hindi siya nag-ano,
like it
binibigyan
sweet.
namin siya ng Osmolax
I look at Celine over there.
with ano,
I look at
kahit anong
Celine
drinks. I know. Very funny. Yeah. How close you? Wait, give me 5 for now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Tastes good? Good job.
there. I like it.
I know, Mama made it for you. Come here, babe. Close.
My wife is not
Ako din guys, so ang aking mata ay gusto na rin
That's
magpahinga.
when we went to the thing.
I know, yeah.
Actually,
Kaya yung hindi ako matutulog ngayong gabi kapag hindi ko na-empake
my
yung
wife
mga
is not pink and pink.
yung mga ano, mga pasalubong. Kasi I can feel the pressure now, guys, na ano, isang linggo na lang, my goodness. Tapos ako parang
Why was I not doing anything?
ito dapat sabi niya na ano daw siya, tutulong daw siya sa akin. Pero yun na kasi sleepy na ko siya. Pag-dry lang namin yung kanyang buhok. Tutulong namin ito. Dali mic natin ay nasa gym. Hindi, sa baba ba? Nag-gym. Sa garage. So, make sure na make sure na majority ng ating mga pasalubong ay mapasok ang pala dyan sa ano. Para wala na akong isipin pa ba.